Hello people, welcome back. Today I'm gonna show you how to edit Aqua Sea Preset in Lightroom. So let's dive. First you have to do is open Lightroom app and select the picture you want to edit. Okay, then we set the exposure at around -29. After that, set contrast at -47. Keep highlight at -66. Keep shadows at 43. Set whites at -24. Set blacks at 4. Set the curve same as it is. Temperature at -15. And set the tint -15. Vibration gonna be 0 and saturation is also 0. Then we'll play with little more of colors. We'll keep hue at -25 +25. Saturation is +40. Luminance as -60. Next color is orange. Its hue gonna be -30. Saturation is +35. Luminance is -30. Yellow is everything 0. Now it's time for green. Hue is -85. Saturation will be -75. Luminance is 0. Now it's time for aqua. Hue is -0. Saturation is -20. Luminance is -35. Time for blue, guys. Saturation is -25. Luminance is also -25. Purple. Set hue at +35. Saturation as -45. Luminance is -25. Magenta. Saturation is +45. luminance is -35.